Welcome to my videos. So guys, nowadays people travel a lot, and why shouldn't they? So when you go to a different country like USA, most of us definitely share a concern that what about the mobile connectivity? Because hardly a few people would like to use international roaming data, because in most of the cases that's too expensive. But yes, in Canada you get US plans too that are really cheap and many times even included in your Canadian plan. But that's fine. But if you're coming from some other country, or if you don't have US plan, like I have already showed you some like how you can order a SIM through Amazon, okay, that get activated when you go to USA. But there's another alternative now, but that's not available on all devices. But yeah, in most of the new modern devices it is supported. That's called eSIM. So you see I have downloaded this app, T-Mobile Prepaid eSIM. So I'm opening this. So now the very first thing it is doing is to checking the device compatibility. Okay, now the very first thing it's asked for the email. So I'm going to go through this step and then I'm going to show you. Now what it is doing now, it's asked for the zip code where you plan to use your phone. Okay, so just to accurate, let's say you are going to like where you're gonna land. Let's say you're gonna land at JFK International Airport, JF Kennedy New York Airport. So we can put the zip code. Let me try that. So I put the zip code of that. So I confirm. Now it is showing you the plans that you can use. So you have unlimited plans, okay, and you have limited data plans too. So based on your requirement and usage, you can select. Like if you're going for like $35 there, I would probably better go for this one, because that you can share the data also. For example, if you're not, you can see the plan details: unlimited talk and text, of course in USA, 4G LTE data on your network, include unlimited 3G smartphone hotspot for tethering, okay, international calling available at paper, last for 30 days, refillable, okay. So you can see this, the details, okay, whichever you select, and you can continue. This is a service agreement, you have to read and accept. Now it's asking for the payment. You need to do the payment. Of course I'm not gonna do that, but next is gonna be like you're gonna review the plan. They will allocate a number and dates also you need to select, okay, and then it will go from there, okay. And this is gonna active for 30 days. So that's how you can take it. All right guys, and you can go, if you have more questions, you can always go to FAQ, where you can like get information, okay. So that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.